sorry if I haven't been consistent in uploading on my channel, but I'm working on it and I will do my best to be more consistent in 2018. Shout out to John Prosper, JC, and of course the small YouTuber army for supporting me with my YouTube channel. As you can see in the title, in this video I will be unboxing my Starbucks 2018 planner. Just a little backstory, I've been collecting Starbucks planners for 4 years now and I'm really excited to unbox this Starbucks planner with you guys. So if you want to see that, then just keep on watching.
So as you guys can see, I got 2 planners. I got one green and one purple in the large size because I honestly find it better to write on bigger notebooks. So the first planner on the left is the purple planner, which has a tan leather sleeve, and the green planner with a dark brown leather sleeve. Both of them came with a desk calendar, which is a trifold shaped like a cup of coffee, which I think is really cute, and also it came with a ruler / stencil with lots of cute shapes and letters. So here's the green planner up close. It has multiple shades of green, it's aesthetically pleasing, and I love the silver accent of the 2018 on this side. I'll be setting this aside because the interior of both planners are exactly the same. So here we go. I'll be flipping through the pages to show you guys what's inside. So here's the cover. It's blue and purple with a mix of orange, but I'm not a big fan of orange though, so yeah. So the first page is where you'll put your personal info. Next page is the history of Starbucks along with the Starbucks card. And guys, I love this. It's rainbow. And then the 2018 and 2019 calendar. Then the January page just has lots of New Year greetings in different languages, and here's the monthly page. I honestly am not that into this year's designs, but I still love this planner. The weekly pages are all the same, so I'll just be flipping through. February page encourages you to stick a photo onto the boxes, so I'm really looking forward to actually sticking a photo there. And again, the monthly pages and the weekly pages are also just the same. By the way guys, I'm really sorry for the background noise of the chicken because it's morning here in the province, so yeah, sorry. And here we have the March page with the I am here surrounded by the location emoji or something. I don't know what you call it. Don't judge me. So the April page focuses more on music, and this page encourages you to write down your April playlist or your top 10 music of the month. So the May page's design showcases a world map represented by stamps and also provides spaces for you to put your own stamps in it. It kind of has like a scrapbook vibe to it, so that's what I like about it. The June page is very orange, and again, I'm not a big fan of orange, so I don't particularly love this page, but I don't hate it. The July page just has a blank card template, which allows you to get creative and make your own Starbucks card design, which I'm probably gonna fill with rainbows because rainbow is life. And then comes the August page, which just says, "Where have you been lately?" allowing you guys to highlight your adventures with spaces to stick your tickets, going to a few destinations, or your travels. September page encourages you guys to write down all the good books you've read so that you can look back and remember the stories that taught you valuable life lessons. Now we have October. It says, join hands around the world using coffee beans to complete the picture. And November, my favorite month of the year. Here it says many cultures, many colors. Also, this page encourages you to design the blank apron with inspirations drawn from your culture. And last, but definitely not the least, is December. So this month is all about connecting with the ones you love because it's holiday season and it has Christmas vibes as always. And I'm so sorry guys because my camera couldn't capture the first few pages, and it was only until I was editing that I realized that the camera didn't capture the first few pages. And then finally, the coupons. There are lots of great coupons here, so if you have yourself a Starbucks planner, don't forget to use them because it really makes all the effort of collecting the stickers worth it. Tell you guys, I honestly don't understand what this strap is for, but I guess it's supposed to keep the pages of your planner intact while it's in your bag. But it would have been better if it had something to lock it into so that the pages would stay closed at all times.
And now for the giveaway. The winner will be receiving one Starbucks planner and they will get to choose which color they want because I still haven't redeemed the Starbucks planner from Starbucks, of course. And for the giveaway mechanics, I only have 4. Number 1, you should be subscribed to my channel because this giveaway is for my subscribers. Number 2, follow me on all my social media accounts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and like my Facebook page. Number 3, joke. Yeah. Number 3, repost this photo on Instagram with this hashtag. And number 4, comment down below what your 2018 goals are along with your Instagram username. So guys, let me just give you a few reasons why you should enter this giveaway. Number 1, please. And number 2, because free lang naman to. Wala namang kayong gagastusin sa pag-enter ng giveaway na to. All you have to do is, subscribe, follow, like, it will just take a few minutes of your time. This giveaway will end on this date, and it is only open for those residing in the Philippines because, guys, this is the first time I'm doing a giveaway, so yes, please join it. Please join the giveaway because sayang naman, Starbucks planner. Kahit isang buwan yung na-miss. Because for sure, by the time I pick the winner, is almost ending in January. So yes, I'm so sorry. So yeah, I think that is it. Cue the outro. Hey guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox the Starbucks 2018 planner. And yeah, if you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video to your friends if you want to, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button beside it so you'd be notified whenever I post a new video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, like my Facebook page, and also add me on Snapchat. Although I haven't been really active on Snapchat, but I'll do my best. And banana. Happy stocking! Bye!